Well folks, this is my new Canyon that's just turned up today, and this is exactly how it's turned up. You'd never believe it. Now this has come all the way from Germany. Now there should be some sort of tie down here to lock that in. Also on this side there also should be a lock on this side as well, but there's nothing at all. As you see, the package has been split open, and regarding the box itself, it does look a bit iffy. Now normally when a packaging comes abroad or anywhere else in the UK, you'd have some type of plastic strap across the top here and down, but as you can see there's nothing. And looking at that, that looks as though it's been on the floor. In case you're wondering, they do have the packaging. This particular one, it's showing able to cut the tabs. See, there's the tab. Yeah, you cut that, but there is nothing here. And you turn these, and then the top comes off. This is how it's come. There's no tab at all. So look, you can just take it straight out. Look, you can almost see something in the bottom of the box. Look, hey look, whatever that is. Oh, it's a bell. Shike, isn't it? Look at that. I've already contacted Canyon, and it's a very difficult way of contacting them. I don't understand their system at all. You physically have to talk to basically a bot. You know what I'm gonna say. You through to a person, which is great. Now I've got a person. Now I told them straight, all I want is what I paid for. I'm not the best of customers in this world. If anyone's going to get any crap in this world, it's going to land on my doorstep. Hence why I've got a YouTube channel, because it's great to show you the crap I buy, and at least you can see this. This has directly come from UPS. Now the rules with UPS, now you can't just send it straight back with UPS. You have to take delivery. It has to be picked up. If you've gone through this process, you'll understand. It's very simple and easy. Sent the photographs off to Canyon, and we're just waiting for them to investigate. All I'm waiting for is that to be picked up and my new bike to be turned up. Because I don't believe that that is going to be in good condition in that box. Because if it's been opened, it could be anything. Now I think that that box has been out and about. I think that bike has been out of that box. Now, who knows? I don't. And I don't really care one way or another. I can see what that looks like, and it's unacceptable. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will keep you updated on what the next move is and how I go about it or what's happening. But I'm pretty upset, to be honest. But there again, it wouldn't have made no difference if I'd have bought a White's bike. It would have probably turned up here just the same. Or there'd be something else wrong with it. And don't forget, that's just buying a bike. Heaven knows what happens to warranty work if anything seriously goes wrong, because I'm the customer, it usually gets the crap. Laters!